iOS 18.5 beta, two hidden changes you'll actually use. So the first change is you need to just go with your photos and go with recently deleted. So once you're here with recently deleted, now if you want to recover these, then you need to select them manually, right? So you need to go with select and then select those manually. But now with the recent update, what you can do is you can select all of the photos at once and you can recover all of that photos at once. So you can go with select, which is on the top right, and go with the bottom right, which has that three dots, and tap on recover all, and all of your photos will be recovered without selecting them. Now the second one, or the second change, is you can open up your settings, and from the settings you need to scroll down to accessibility and go with touch. Now here you will have a back tap banner. So here on the bottom of your screen you will have back tap. You need to tap on it, and now you can go with the double tap or triple tap. So I'll choose double tap, and you can select any accessibility shortcut for double tapping on your back of your iPhone. So in my case, for example, if I take or select a screenshot, then after double tapping on my back, then it will take a screenshot. So as you can see that it has taken a screenshot after double tapping on my back. So these were the two hidden changes that you'll actually use. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.